Brennan, what does Hudson have? What does Hudson have? Oh, you make it light up? You have it? Did you get it? Uh-oh, put them on TV.
Who gave that to you?
Debbie.
Debbie. Do you love it?
I love it.
I love it! Go ahead, try again. What else is in there?
Oh, are you going to give Brennan the Stegosaurus? She's not be kind of you. I think she's going to eat it. Alright,
Every demons.
You like all the green ones?
Three.
Do you love dinosaurs?
Three demons.
3 green ones, that's right.
Triceratops and
Oh. Three demons.
Debbie must really know you.
yeah. Oh, the brontosaurus. Thank you, buddy. I got it.
Huh?
Brennan. Good girl.
Now tell Debbie one more time how cool this is.
Cool, Debbie.
Cool, Debbie!